Happy blessed Monday! Prepare na tayo ng mabaon ng mga bata. Bye-bye!
It's hot today, sa regla.
Yan ang baon nila for today. Pear, watermelon, bread. Ganyan din kay Ate Hana. Nilagay ko na sa bag niya. Ayun! See you later again, guys. May work tayo mamaya. Everybody, punta na tayo sa work. Actually, wala ako today work, pero papasok pa rin tayo. Kasi bukas is end of September na. And para may mga overtime tayo, guys. Diba? Yeah. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo dun sa last week's vlog. Super ganda, daming ganap. At pinaka-favorite ko dong part was yung worship night. So, ang ganda ng experience talaga. At may share ko lang pala. Yung day na yun, naka-appointment ako na bibisita sa akin yung dalawang friend ko. Magchichili kami, kwentuhan kasi hindi na kami palagi nagkikita. Tapos, all of the sudden, narinig ko si Ate Hana na aalis daw, pupunta daw ng worship. Sabi ko, anong worship? Sa umaga yun. Sabi niya, hindi mama, merong event ngayong alas 6. Yung once a year. Sabi ko, talaga ba? Tapos inalam ko kung magkano yun. Wala naman pala kailangan ticket. Tapos sabi ko, sana makapunta din ako. Sama ako. Tapos kinancel ko ngayon yun dun sa dalawang friend ko. Sabi ko sa kanila, next time na lang tayo magkwentuhan at magbanding. Samahan ko lang at gusto kong umattend lang ng event ng worship night. Kasama yung mga anak ko at kapatid ko. So yun, ang galing-galing. Super excited ako nun. Tapos alam niyo ba, kasi nga diba hindi pa ako ganun kaano sa oras. Nalilate pa rin ako kahit man gustuhin ko pumasok or makipag-meet ng maaga. There is always something na hindi ko maano yung oras. Kaya pinag-aaralan ko siya. Kaya pasensya na po. Lalo na sa mga kapatid ko. Nalilate ako, ganyan. Tapos yun na nga. Tapos ang start nun is alas 6. Nakarating ako 6:15, 6:20. Tapos habang nag-aayos ako sa bahay, sabi ko ng malakas, Lord, excited na po ako pumunta sa event nyo ngayon. Excited na ako mag-worship. Lalo na kasama ko yung mga anak ko, mga kapatid ko. Hindi po kami malilate magkakapatid. Wala pong malilate sa amin. On time po kami lahat kasi excited kami umattend dyan. Kaya walang malilate. Tapos yun, hanggang sobrang saya ko kasi on time. Nag-start pa lang siya 6:30. So, thank God. Hindi siya talaga, may timing talaga lahat. Sobrang kasi ng puso ko nun. Sobrang saya. Nagsisisigaw ako sa bahay. Alam niyo ba yun? Anyways, work muna tayo. And I'm gonna see you later again pag susundin ko na si Francine. Okay? Bye-bye! Hello everybody! Nandito na ako sa bahay. Nasundo ko na si Francine. And hindi na ako nag-vlog sa labas. Kasi may bit-bit ako.
Kim Barabara.
And we bought eggs, of course. Tapos itong parang tinapay, pwede mo lagyan ng hotdog. But, lalagyan ko siya normal ng corny.
It was on sale.
Then,
it was fresh.
Ay, look what I bought! Dalandan, guys!
50% off.
It's not 50%
No,
off.
I mean that.
Look, dalandan siya. Nakakatuwa.
I never saw that.
It's clementine, but it's in green. Para siyang
lime.
Yeah, para siyang lime. But it should be sweet. Ayun, no. Para siya sa Philippines, guys. Dalandan. Try natin. Try natin, saglit. Para alam niyo yung lasa. Kung matamis. Para alam ko kung bibili pa ako. Okay. Try natin. See. Yeah, you can draw. You check your muna, homework if you have. Oh my gosh, yung amoy niya. Yung amoy niya, dalandan na dalandan parang Philippines. Alam niyo sa Greece maraming ganito. Nakita ko, may dalandan tree dun. Saka olives. Look, but inside it's orange. Ayan, oh. So yummy. Sana matamis. Ayan natin siya. Ang aham. Maga. Masarap tong isaw sa asin. And maganda to pag inuubo ka o sinisipon. Harap. Good. Aham talaga. And then we bought meat. We bought mayonnaise. We have this baon for the kids tomorrow. Gouda whole corn bread. Soup ni Francine, noodle soup. Then another thing that I'm gonna eat, my cottage bread. We got cheese, of course. Then we have ketchup. Dahil meron tayong mayonnaise, meron din tayong ketchup. Dahil baka mag-fries ako later. Then we have, of course, milks. Dalawa na agad. And then itong cookies ni Francine galing school. And bigay sa akin ng ka-workmate ko. Pansit. Looks yummy and it tastes yummy. Yan. So, see you again later. Kasi for tonight's dinner, I don't know what I'm gonna cook. Siguro magigisa lang ako ng hipon. Butter shrimp. Yeah. See you later. Nagawa niya. Nagkahanap ng pwede niyang pagtaguan.
Yeah. I can also sleep like this.
What are you doing? Why are you hiding there?
Because I never hide in a spot. I always hide in my daddy's, like, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi. What did I do?
I don't know. What do you want to show them? Tell them what you wanted from me.
So I wanted a secret room. And I got it. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Yes.
So, tell me about your secret room.
So,
So cool.
I got 3 lights.
Is that a secret room for you or for your toys?
Me and my toys.
Okay.
Here's the toy. We live together.
Oh, you live together.
He's gonna sleep there. That's his
Oh,
home.
that's so cute.
Yeah.
And this is your things.
Yeah, this is the lights for him.
And what is that for a secret room? Can you tell them what it is? Maybe they don't know.
It's like an elevator secret room. Because
Okay.
it's like a form like an elevator.
Okay. See you later. Enjoy
Enjoy.
playing. Morning. Happy Tuesday. Ito ba ni Francine at Hana. And ito yung akin. Ito naman kay Ate Kirsten kasi imimit ko siya ngayon in the morning kasi meron kaming appointment. Yan. Morning. Doing na kami sa school and appointment. Medyo maaga si Francine today kasi nga nilakad ako but okay na yun. Mag-aantay na lang siya sa school kasi meron namang free of seat. See you later, alligator. Morning! Dito tayo dumaan, mas malapit. Ayun na po siyang susi, guys. Susi sa magiging bago niyang apartments. Mura to ate. Sana all. Oh, yun. Okay. Punta muna kami doon. Bisitahin namin. Hello! Dito na po kami sa appointment namin. And ang isa po dito ay very excited na. Pupunta din kami ng... Ay, hindi pala. May pasok po pala siya after. Kaya kikita nyo na lang po kung nasan kami.
Höchste Stopp.
7th?
Oh my gosh.
How do you feel?
I'm so excited. It's my first apartment. Oh my god, no. 704.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is so cute.
Parang kasi si Nicole Lay, no? Nakita mo yung vlog niya?
Ja, ich war eben in den Vlogs. Oh mein Gott, no. Wo ist hier Licht?
Pati wala naman licht.
So, nee, war das schon. Aber Mama, ich soll hier schlafen?
Ja, das ist ein Schlafsofa.
Oh. Okay, jetzt nehmen wir das.
Da gibst du yung TV.
Ja.
Tapos ayusin mo yung gamit mo. Ito yung cabinet.
Aber wo stecke ich den Ding da bitte an?
May mga saksakan naman dyan.
Wo? Ich sehe keins.
Baka nandito sa loob. Tingnan natin.
Wie? Wo? Oh, wow. Oha, hier gibt sogar Kasten her.
Ayun din.
Hey, Mama, wo
Dito mo isasaksak.
Ja, und wo ist die TV gebe ich hier?
Oo, sasaksak mo ganyan dan. Tatago mo dan einfach. Yan. Wala na masyado. Ito kusina mo.
Und wie macht man eine Bild auf?
Ayan, tapunan. And drawers. Ayan. Ito si, ano, oh. Ayan, bago pa pala tong ano mo. Rep mo, oh. Bagong-bago. Ayos. Okay yan. Tit lang. Cute. Ito, CR. Yan. Oh, magsabit ka na lang.
Süß.
For
I
you.
love this. Wow.
Iiyak na siya.
Das fühlt sich so alt an, Herr.
You are blessed. Pwede mo naman anihin yan.
Wie macht man das auf?
Warte, ich zeig's dir. Next update, makikita nyo, nandito na yung mga gamit niya. Ayan tayo. Ito po, nandito po kami sa Asian Shop, sa baba ng naging apartment ni ate. So, galing na kami ngayon dun sa appointment ni ate. At nasettle na din naman siya. Thanks Lord. Very big blessing din siya. Kahit sabihin natin, hindi madali yung mga pinagdadaanan. I mean, financially and everything. Mentally, but pag talaga si Lord ang kumilos sa lahat and you have really faith in Him, na kahit anumang pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, ano man yung mga plans mo sa buhay, ini-include mo siya. Siya talaga yung gagawa ng ways para masettle ng ayos and everything. So, very thankful ako sa Ate Kirsten. And there will be more struggles, trials to come. But with God's help and sa pagtitiwala natin dyan, maaayos lahat yan at naniniwala kami doon. Kaya reminder lang din, kung kayo po nag-i-struggle sa buhay ngayon, kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan nyo, please kapit lang kayo sa Kanya and everything, maayos ang lahat. Huwag kayong mawawala ng pag-asa. Sa tamang panahon lahat yan. Tiwala lang. Pupunta ako ngayon saglit kay Tita Lita kasi tapos na yung season niya sa ice cream. So bibigyan niya daw ako ng ice cream, kaya punta ako daw. May dala ako ditong thermo bag, and then after that susundin ko na si Ru kasi nasa amin ulit siya for a few days. Then after that sunduin ko si Francine, kasama ko si Ru. And then, magluluto ako for dinner kasi si Ate Kirsten magdi-dinner today sa atin. At yun, sama-sama kaming apat. Kasi it's been a long time na din na nagkasama-sama kami kasi nga may kanya-kanya ng inaayos sa buhay. But I'm still thankful kasi kahit ganun pa man, He is moving talaga. No matter what, kahit anumang mangyari sa buhay, nandyan siya. Pag talagang ini-include mo siya, siya yung kumikilos para sa lahat. So I'm thankful, nakakasama ko yung mga bata sa kunyari dun sa worship. Hindi man kami kompleto, but still every day is a new blessing, every day is a new chance to move forward in a positive way. And yun lang, paulit-ulit po ako nang sinasabi na include nyo po si Lord talaga sa buhay nyo. Kasi siguro dahil ganun yung ginagawa ko at yun din yung tinuturo ko sa mga anak ko, kaya nagiging positive. May mga negatives din naman sa buhay, but still niwala lang kayo. And this is just the start at naniniwala ako doon. At sobrang lamig, kaya kaantay tayo ng bus kasi sasakay ako papuntang subway, taking the parang bullet train S-Bahn. Kaya I'll see you guys later pag nandun na ako kay Tita, okay? Kain na ulit kami. Ito yung ice cream na dala ko.
It's melt.
I need to put it in the freezer. Ayan. Ano ba to? No, it's not peppermint, mint, and bubblegum. Tapos ano ito? This is coffee and hazelnut. So this is Francine and mine.
Okay, so
Experiment.
I thought
This is a Haribo gummy bear, and then we're gonna check after 2 to 3 days.
No.
She wants to see if it will be
it's already a bit wetty.
big. Because last time, years ago when I was little, I did that experiment also, and then it was this huge, but you couldn't eat it because it's very slimy.
But
Okay.
you could try to eat it.
No, I just did so
And then what?
gonna check you
Then what
after
did you
weight
do with
days.
it?
Nothing. I just play with it and then throw it away, and then put another gummy bear next day to see them grow. Like it was my toy.
Because you don't have one.
No, I just wanted to try it. Rory, let's go na. Ayun yung tumayo. Oh, nilagyan ko na siya ng lock. Ayun yung tumayo. Ayaw mo mamasya, Ruru? Let's go, mimit na natin sa Ate Kirsten. Maybe. Come. Rory. Bakit ikaw sad? Halika na, dali. Dala natin si Gigi. Come. Tawag ka na Ate Francine. Ciao, Ate Francine.
Come. Come, come on. I think when I give...
Yeah, lekali. You want lekali? Gusto mo lekali? Damit na da-austis, ke? Magsulekali? Let's go. Come, lekali. Bigyan ka ta lekali. Come. Come, Ruri.
Follow me like a pretty dog. Okay, sorry. No.
Okay. Sa bahay na kami. So, nagluluto ako ngayon ng buttered shrimp. Ayan, dito na si ate. Tapos magagawa ako ng pear na may bagoong kasi gusto yan ni Ate Kirsten. And then we have longganisa for them and rice at saka cucumber corn salad. So, be right back at mamaya na ulit later. Okay? Ayan, pinaprepare ko na. What do you say?
Thank you for...
Hi guys, today we're gonna eat some 1 kilo of
That's 5 kilos.
5 kilo of ice cream. Sieht ihr, wie groß das ist? Größer als mein Kopf.
Thank you, Lolalita. Good morning, Francini. Francini Balanini. Baby ko, good morning. Baby, wake up na. Let's go. Baka malate ka sa school. Come. Baby. Wake up na, babe. Baby. Baka malate ka sa school mo. Come. Hello. Sa bahay na ulit tayo, guys. At for today's dinner, hipon, kahapon, alas caldo, puto. Yes. And meron tayong titikman na durian hopya. And durian hopya. Try natin siya. Masarap. Parang amoy. Pwede siyang iinit. So, lagay ka sa freezer. Oh my gosh, ba't ganyan yung amoy? Grabe. Sarap naman. Good morning, Francine. How was your sleep? How was your sleep? Itsura mo, anak. Let's go na. Tiniguan na kita saglit. Bibigay mo yung bracelet mo sa friend mo mamaya, di ba? Tinan niyo, bumili siya ng bracelet, no? Yan, this one. This one you're gonna give your friend. And the other one is yours. Okay, let's go. Difference, no? Morning! This is Francine's breakfast and ulam, apples, boiled egg, sandwich with cheese. Yan. Open it properly. Like this. Yarn. And then you need to push again here. Yan. Oh, wow. Do you have that? Ketchup. Yan lang? Laman yan?
Yeah.
Wala na laman doon? Hör auf.
Ja, so ist
Mach mal auf. Mach auf mal. Sicher habe ich was bestellt.
Nee, du hast nur die Sachen.
Wirklich?
Ja. Ist das Trüffel?
Ja. Was ist das?
Croissant mit Ham und Cheese.
Ito na nga. Today is Thursday. Tapos nakita nyo kanina, di ba, umorder kami Ate Hana. Usually, hindi kami umorder actually, guys, ng mga ganyan. Kasi nga, nagluluto ako ng breakfast dito or nagla-lunch. So, kanina naisipan namin dahil malamig, sobrang lamig sa labas, umorder na lang kami. And ako, medyo maarte kasi ako when it comes to ordering stuffs. Talagang chinecheck ko kasi feeling ko palagi, dapat yung binabayad mo, ganun din yung matatanggap mo. So, really, I check everything, blah, blah, blah. Kanina, dahil pag nakakatanggap naman ako ng delivery, so, pag dumating yung delivery man, hindi ko na siya na-check. So, kasi nga, kampante ako na kompleto lahat. Kasi magkano lang naman yung binili ko. So, ito na nga, umorder ako ng ganito, truffle cake, tapos croissant na may ham and cheese, and cheese toast. Kasi nga, hindi ako kumakain ng pork, diba? So, hindi ako pwede ng ham. Di binuksan na namin. Aba, pagtingin ko, instead of 3 things na in-order ko, 2 lang yung laman. So, tawag na yun ako. Tawag agad ako kasi syempre, kailangan yun agad-agad tawag ako. Sabi daw ng lalaki, gusto nyo bang gawin na lang siyang voucher o gusto mo matanggap ulit yung cheese toast mo? Sabi ko, syempre, gusto kong kumain, kaya ako umorder. Gusto kong matanggap. So, antay ulit. Ngayon, tumawag ulit siya. Sabi niya, pasensya na po, iba-voucher na lang po namin in general para sa next order, pwede na lang kayong umorder ulit ng cheese toast or pwede yung gamitin yung voucher na yun in general when you order something. So, it makes me, a bit upset kasi kahit man sabihin natin walang perfect sa ating tao, both side naman siguro nagkamali kami doon na hindi ko chinek nung na-receive ko, tapos sila, hindi nila chinek din yung i-deliver before nilang yung pagkain, i-deliver sa sa makakatanggap. So, yun. So, next time, lesson dito is always check your foods or your orders once na dumating na yung delivery para at least ma-avoid yung mga ganito. So, hassle na naman siya. So, mag-aantay ngayon ako siguro for the voucher para magamit ko siya sa next time. Yun lang po. Na-share ko lang sa inyo yung shirt Kasi binibideo ko ni Ate Hana. And alam niya yan, pag sa mga ganyang bagay, tumatawag kasi kakagad ako. Hindi ko siya hinahayaan ng Kasi sayang sayang yung time, sayang yung pera. And sabi ko, umorder ako nung para before ako mag-work, makapag-breakfast kami together. Tapos yun, kulang-kulang pa. Pero yun sa kanya naman, nakain niya. So, yun lang yun. May work na ulit tayo later. At I'm gonna see you again later. Ay, kahapon pala. Kinulayan ulit to. But, mamaya kukulayan siya na mas matagal. Siguro, magli-leave tayo ng 3 hours para mas maging whitish siya. Or lighter. Kasi medyo orange at yellow pa siya. Yun lang po. At, I'll see you guys again later. At na tayo from work. Lamig ngayon. Grabe. Pauwi na tayo. I'll see you later. Meron na naman akong dessert. Maganda dito sa work ko. Lagi ako may libreng dessert, pagkain. Kaya mananaba tayo. Pero okay lang yun. It's a blessing. Si Francine and bibili na kami ng ticket for Saturday. Kasi this Saturday kasama ko siya. Manonood kami ng Gabby's Dollhouse at 3:30, baby. Saturday. Ayan. Which one? You want on the back? Tabi tayo? Or single seat?
No, dami.
Yeah?
Abay ko may katabi.
Ayun, may katabi. Ito na lang. Francini. Wake up na, baby. Wake up na. It's Friday na. Tomorrow we go to the cinema na. Let's go. Last day of school na. Come. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning. Wake up na, baby. Let's go na. Das ist Greta und ihr Kater Fridolin. Greta kocht für ihr Leben gerne. Fridolin frisst für sein Leben gerne. Heute backt Greta etwas ganz Besonderes. Sie nimmt Mehl und Zucker aus dem Regal. Aus dem Kühlschrank braucht sie Butter, Milch und Eier. Greta mischt alle Zutaten zusammen. Doch eine wichtige Zutat fehlt noch. Greta ruft, die Schokolade, die hätte ich fast vergessen. Den Teig schüttet Greta an eine große Backform. Greta sagt, ab in den Ofen damit. Was macht Greta für eine Süßware hier? Schokoladentorte. Okay, jetzt darfst du das malen, okay? Do you like chocolate cake? Yes? Do you have any special cake, your favorite one? What is your favorite dessert? Most favorite dessert? Cookies? Really? What for cookies is your favorite? Do you eat every cookie?
Magulang lang din. Yun. Parang ang bigat kasi ayoko mangyari sa mga anak ko and kahit na kanino. So, para hindi mangyari yung ganung sitwasyon, please tayo mga parents, gabayan natin ang ating mga anak, ipagdasal natin na palaging ituro ni Lord sa right path. Ayun, lagi natin kumustahin yung mga anak natin. And yun, pasensya na. Hirap ako sagutin kasi hindi ko naiisip eh. And ang totoo, ayoko talagang mangyari. Kahit naman sinong magulang, di ba? Ayun, sana nasagot.
Yes, what's your doll's name?
Mia.
Mia. Good. And because it's winter, you bought her clothes and a boots. And because you are good in school, that's why mommy bought you that, okay? Don't buy just because you like something, okay? You need to be good at school.
I was.
You need always to listen.
I was.
So you have rewards.
Okay.
Without doing nothing, you won't get anything, okay? So what is your message to every kid who wants something to buy?
If you want something to buy, you just gotta listen to your parents and to the teacher, of course. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say, guys. And bye.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Daddy was out.
Ruru, look what Dudu... Dudu tuloy. Ruru din dun sa rabbit.
I changed one ear.
Isang tenga na lang yung natira. Ruru bear. Hoy. Psst, Ruru. Ruru, look.
In silence.
Bad. Good morning, everybody. Happy blessed Saturday. From me and Francine. So our agenda for today is moving things here in our room, going gassy with Drew,
And going to the movie.
and watching
Daddy.
her favorite movie with her ates. So we will have a short girls date. Today papasyal ko sila.
Girly day.
Girly day, yeah. We are watching the cinema, and we wish that Ava was with us because that's one of Ava's favorite character. I think
favorite.
super favorite. So Ava, I
You
hope,
got the ears for the cat.
yeah, we hope that you enjoyed your Disneyland trip, and we're gonna see you soon. So see you later, guys, and yun.
See you later.
Alligator. May nahanap, oh. Stand up and then, show them.
There's a
That's
tail
her.
behind.
That's your small one.
Yeah.
That's so huge, Francine. Take it. Like...
It's a bit harder than hope you like this in the back.
Okay, nakapag-grocery na kami ni Francine. And buti na lang nag-sale ang Yakult, guys. Very lucky tayo kasi it's 1 plus 1. Normally 3 euro plus siya. Yeah. And nag-sale siya 1 plus 1 kaya 4 na yung binili. And yung favorite niya mozzarella. And bumili na din siyang basket for her Halloween trick or treat. Yeah. Nagbe-breakfast daw kami ng ano niya. Ayan yung breakfast niya. Ako naman bibili ng breakfast ko. Antay ka niyo. Going to paint her dwarf now.
I like to do this in vacuum. I'm going to show you the finishing project.
Yeah. Phone. I have this test.
Mommy, go!
Let's go. Everybody, we are ready to go to the cinema and meet Ate Kirsten because Ate Hannah has a baby shower to attend, so kami lang po. And Francine has her cat hairband from Gabby's dollhouse.
Yes, but it doesn't work. It only press like that.
Yeah, and she has her birthday Gabby's dollhouse t-shirt,
Yeah?
so it fits.
Yeah, it fits, of course.
Are you excited to watch it?
Yes.
And then she will be picked up later. Inayusan ako na Ate Hannah, kaya po ganito yung makeup ko. Thank you, Ate Hannah. Yan, sasabihin na naman Ate Kirsten, bakit ganyan yung pilik mata mo? Saan ka pupuntang party? See you later, guys. Na tayo, bibili muna ako ng chichir. Ayan, mga bata, manonood din ng Gabby's dollhouse. Kasi meron din silang cat hairband. Ito tayo. So ano, may avatar bowl or Halloween kit. Meron silang trick or treat. Yung avatar umiilaw yan. Galing. Or may GPS. Silang double wall cup. Ganda. May ilaw din ata, no? May ilaw yan. Kirsten. Si Kirsten! Kailangan akong bumili ng bagong nacho kasi nahulog yung binili ko. Nasagi ni Ate Kirsten, hindi niya sinasadya ng bag. out of 10, ikaw?
9 out of 10.
Ako din. Ako 10. Ang cute niya. Panoodin niya siya. Who's your bestie? Bestie niya to. Si Francine pauso. Para every week ka na, Francine, umiinom yan. Sunday. So, kinuha ko yung yung bibigyan natin kay Ate Francine dahil may request siya sa akin, pero kayo mag-alala, ano lang po to, mura lang siya. So, excited lang ako ibigay sa kanya to. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako naglalakad dito, guys. Anyway, she will be happy. Excited tong umuwi mamaya. For sure, kasi nasa daday niya siya. Ito, napakita ko sa inyo. Yan, ang bago niyang stroller ng kanyang manika. Very pretty. Aray ko. Aray. Yan, meron siyang lalagyan sa baba. Tapos, ito, pwede itong i-fold. Ganyan, para pag kinuha niya siya. Very cute. Tapos, itong mga handles, pwede din itong ibaba. Yan. Mamaya makikita nyo bago matulog. Bago ko itong i-end yung itong end yung tong vlog week natin ngayong Sunday. Makikita nyo si Francine before kung anong gagawin niya dyan. Yan!
Okay. Wow, you just did that.
Yeah.
Yeah! Wow!
Go!
I'll show my daddy. Wow! It's so big.
Like it?
Yes, love it.
Put your doll inside.
Oh my god, it's so big.
Look at it. My doll? Look. Put it in.
Malaki baby. Malit yung dal mo.
Well, I can put my other doll.
Here we are cooking carbonara. Ayan. Ito yung meat. And ito yung sauce. Yan. Do you like your new stroller?
I love it. I love it.
If you can rate it.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Okay. Can you please close the weekly vlog na? Kasi the weekly vlog is already finished and we're gonna see each other next week again.
We will see you again next week.
Don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
always smile,
Always
stay
smile.
positive, and always keep on shining.